Welcome. What if I told you an unauthorized biological weapons lab was just found inside of a normal Las Vegas home and we still have no idea what's exactly inside? This is not fiction. This is real and it's happening right now. Stay with me. Hi everyone. I'm Will Boss. If you're new to my channel, I am a military biologist and I've spent years analyzing biological threats. And this should absolutely be the biggest breaking story in our country right now, and barely anyone is treating it that way. So what happened in Vegas? Over the weekend, law enforcement in Las Vegas raided a residential home after credible tips suggesting biological lab. And it was operating out of a garage. Police, FBI, hazmat teams responded and recovered over 1,000 samples of biological materials, including mysterious liquids, vials, refrigerators, centrifuge-like equipment, and more. Two individuals who were entered the space later described as becoming deathly ill. The property was linked to a man already connected to prior illegal bioweapons case in California, and that case involved unauthorized biological materials. One suspect has already been arrested, and FBI are now testing everything at secure labs. But authorities are publicly cautious and saying no one knows about this public threat. As someone who studies biological risks, I don't find it reassuring, and I'll tell you why. This should be huge news. A suspected biolab in a suburban home isn't supposed to happen in the US. Biological labs handle dangerous agents that are regulated, certified, and monitored, not hidden in a garage. Whether or not there was intent to weaponize something or the potential for real harm is there. No other country lets unauthorized labs operate freely. It's a major security lapse. And remember, this isn't an isolated incident. Remember, agroterrorism incident from just last June. You had two Chinese nationals that were charged with smuggling fungus classified as a potential agroterrorism weapon in the U.S. through Detroit. The pathogen is notorious for head blight, with wheat, barley, corn, and rice capable of devastating crops and supply chains. The Department of Justice said the importation of this pathogen had serious national security implications. Now ask yourself, if a biological threat agent can be smuggled into our country, if an unauthorized lab can operate undetected in a suburban garage, then why are we treating biological defense like an afterthought? National security and biological defense. As a military biologist, biological threats don't just mean viruses and diseases, they mean systematic vulnerabilities that can be exploited, from crop destroying pathogens to rogue labs. These incidents demonstrate gaps in regulatory enforcement, field surveillance, interagency communication, public awareness. That's just the start. This isn't fear-mongering. This is threat awareness. The public deserves transparency. The media deserves to report on this. And policymakers need to actionable change. If we ignore these warning signs, we invite disaster. Drop a comment what you think they found in the lab. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more analysis from a biologist perspective. I'll link other videos to biothreats, other biology videos, and national security right here.